Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video session, I am going to solve week 5 assignment of cloud computing and distributed systems. So friends, let's see the first question. Consider the given table of agreement problems and match the correct pair. So we have to match agreement problem with agreement condition. Okay. So options are Byzantine agreement problem, consensus problem, interactive consistency problem. So here Byzantine agreement problem will match option 3. Single source has an initial value and all non-faulty processes must agree on the same value. Consensus problem will match option 1. All processes have an initial value and all non-faulty processes must agree on the same single value. And interactive consistency problem will match option 2. All processes have an initial value and all non-faulty processes must agree on the same array of values. Okay, so here option, that means P3 Q1 R2, this will be the correct answer. Okay, so I select P3 Q1 R2. Now moving into the next question, question number 2. True or false? Peace showed that in a fully connected network it is possible to reach an agreement if number of faulty processors f exceeds n by n minus 1 by 3, where n is the number of processors. Okay, so that is false. It is impossible. Okay, that is false. So I select option false. Now moving into the next question, question number 3. Again true or false question. Byzantine agreement cannot be reached among 3 processors if one processor is faulty. That is true. Now moving into the next question, question number 4. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. In the synchronous system model, consensus is impossible to solve. In the asynchronous system model, consensus is solvable. And Paxos provides safety and eventual liveness. Okay. In statement 1, the consensus is solvable. And in the asynchronous system model, consensus is impossible. Impossible to solve. Okay, so both are not true, only statement 3 is true. Okay, so I select option 3. Now moving into the next question, question number 5. Find out the correct model for the given assumptions of a system. Assumption 1. Each message is received within bounded time. Assumption 2, drift of each process local clock has a known bound. Assumption 3, each step in a process takes less than time less than ub, where lb presents lower bound and ub represents an upper bound. Okay, so all the three of assumption is related to synchronous distributed system. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. Now get into the next question, question number 6. True or false? O2 algorithm is a uncoordinated checkpointing and recovery technique that takes a consistent set of checkpointing and avoids domino effect and live log problems during the recovery. That is false, because O2 algorithm is a coordinated. Okay, so that is false. Now moving into the next question, question number 7. Messages whose send is done but receive is undone due to rollback are called. Options are in transit message, lost messages, orphan messages, duplicate messages. Here lost messages will be the correct answer, so I select lost messages. Now get into the next question, question number 8. Cascaded rollback which causes the system to roll back too far in the computation even to the beginning in spite of all the checkpoints is known as. Options are rollback, phantom effect, domino effect, live log problem. That is domino effect. Okay, so I select that. Now moving into the next question, question number 9. Messages with receive recorded but message sent not recorded and do not arise if processes roll back to a consistent global state are called. Options are in transit message, lost messages, orphan messages and duplicate messages. So that is orphan messages. Okay, so I select that. Now get into the next question, question number 10, which is the last question of this assignment. The dash may arise when a process rolls back to its checkpoint after a failure and requests all the other affected processes also to roll back. Options are rollback, phantom effect, domino effect, live log problem, and that is live log problem. Okay, so I select live log. So friends, I have completed this assignment. Hope this is benefited to you. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment if any, and press the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. So friends, thank you again and Jai Hind.